Home remedies for mosquito bites. The best home remedies for mosquito bites, of course, are those that stop the little critters biting in the first place. But if it is too late for that, there are still a few things that you can try. A mosquito bite is not like the sting of a wasp or bee, which is an injection of poison. Mosquitoes just want a little taste of your blood. But to stop it coagulating so that they can easily drink it, they also deposit a protein which causes an allergic reaction in some people. It seems that some people get bitten constantly and others never have a single itch, but this is probably nothing to do with whether the insects like you. The truth is that some people do not get allergic and so they do not know they have been bitten. If you ask 100 bite-scratching people what they recommend, you may get 100 different answers. Here are some of the most popular ideas. Ice. Apply an ice cube to reduce the inflammation and temporarily numb the area. Ice also restricts blood flow, which may reduce the allergic reaction. The bite will probably itch again later, but maybe by then you will be busy doing something else and will not notice. Roll-on antiperspirant. Most commercial antiperspirants contain vasoconstrictive substances which, like ice, restrict blood flow to the area. Additionally, the aluminum in the antiperspirant may help the bite to heal. Do not use if the bite has been heavily scratched. Fingernails. Press down on the bite with a fingernail so that the nail digs in and leaves a mark. Then do the same thing at another angle to form a cross. This should temporarily stop the itching. Toothpaste. Some people recommend smearing toothpaste over the bite. The fluoride is said to reduce the allergic reaction. If desperate, why not give it a try? Scratching. It has been shown that if you go so far as to open up the bite and make it bleed, some of the allergen may be forced out by the blood flow. However, the bite may become infected, so doing this deliberately is not recommended. If it happens by accident, apply antiseptic. The good news is that the itching from bites will only last between 24 and 48 hours. Then, cover yourself in insect repellent or keep those mosquitoes out with netting to stop yourself being bitten next time. You can also look for an anti-itch cream that contains camphor and keep it with you whenever you risk being bitten. Camphor can stop the itching, and if applied early enough, it may even prevent the itchy bump from forming. This makes camphor one of the best home remedies for mosquito bites, but you have to buy some ahead of time.